What up, Kennel Crew? We're live on a Friday night. Friday Night Fire. This is 7-box NFL Mixer PYT number 44. Thanks to those of you that jumped in early and often, grabbing your favorite squads at 9 a.m. Pacific when this one hit the store live. You know who you are. Appreciate the love, y'all. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. All cards will ship. We're going to start with the Pro Set. Good luck, everybody. All right, first up, college spot going to the filler. Or 34 of 50 going to the 4 spot. Filler, that's you, Chris. Next up, Corey Kiner, also for the filler, 1 of 10. Pretty sure Corey Kiner is filling. Let me just double check. Yeah, filler squads, college, 1 of 10. Next up, for the Patriots, that's you, Ralph. 3 of 25 on the strong. Make sure you hit that like button, everybody. For the Chiefs, 9 of 20. A Jarian Ely. For the Texans, it's a Stingley. Four of 10 for the Texans, that's you, Haywood. And Ojabo for the Ravens. Frankie C on the 28 of 30. Jerome Ford, the Browns, filler squad. 11 of 20. Going to the 1 spot, no town. Woo! For the Steelers, it's an Olave, 4 of 4. For CVC and the Steelers. An Olave for the Saints. That's you, Bam. And for the Lions, the Hutch. Sarah's on the Lions, 2 of 5. Low numbered Hutch. Nice one there. Packers, filler squads, baby. 1 of 1, no town. It's a Romeo Dobbs. A red flood super prismatic gold. Nice hit, no town. Oh, we're off to a good start here. We're off to a good start here in this break. Devin Brown, college spot. That's going to the 0 for Carter B. Xavier Hutchinson, 1 of 30. I believe he's still in college. Indeed. Hey, Jermaine Johnston. Jets. 19 of 35. This is a college spot. Cam Rising. That's 10 of 30. Going to Carter B in the 0 spot on the Cam Rising. It's a nice one there. Next one is a college spot also. Theo Weiss. 1 of 7, no town. A Spencer Sanders, also the college spot. 8 of 15, going to the 8 spot for Bam. Walker Howard also for the 4 of 4 on the college spot. This box is not 1 pro yet. A Tyler Goodson. He's in the pros. I don't remember who he plays. Oh, yes, the Packers. Filler, though. Filler still. Six of 20. Going to Mickey the Dude in the 6th spot. Ooh, nice one here for the Patriots. Haley Zappi. There you go, Ralph. 5 of 5 on the Bailey Zappi. Nice hit there, Ralph. Well, this box escalated quickly. This box escalated quickly. How about a 1 of 1 Joe Montana printing plate for the 49ers and CBC? 1 of 1 printing plate, CBC. Sick hit there, CBC. Malik Cunningham, 1 of 1. He didn't think he's college. Another 1 of 1 for No Town in the filler. All right, playbook is up next. We'll see what's in here. First up to 99. That's for the Texans, the 199. A Brandon Cooks. Haywood. Nice one here for the Patriots to 99. A 3-color patch. A Pierre Strong. For the Lions. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. 107 of 199. It's a Jamal Williams goal line graph for the Lions. That's you, Sarah. Oh, baby. Come on. Be big right now. Be big for us. Be big for the crew here. Be big. Let's go. Be big. It's a different color. It's a different color than normal on this one. This could be big. This could be big. Oh, it's huge. It's a signature locker to 99. That's a banger. That's sick. A silver Kenneth Walker for the Seahawks. And a Dalton Schultz to 249 for the Cowboys. Johnson and Avellis Jones Jr. Herbert, a Blue Wave Mathis, Pascal, and a Durant. A Cooper Kupp for the Rams. And a B-Rod, the 249 for the football team. Brandon, nice one there. Cade York will go to the 0. Wyatt will go to the 7. Daniel Jones to 249 for the Giants. Naylor and a Mechie. A silver of Higbee, and our first autograph is coming. Ooh, filler squads, let's go. That's sick. That's the 4 spot, Crispy Chris. Nice hit, man. Higbee for the Rams, Quay Walker, and an Alec Pierce for the Colts. A Lewis Sign, and Andre Johnson for the Texans. Kate Otten and a Price. The Andre Johnson go Haywood out of 225. Silver Jamar Chase, a Walter Jones for the Seahawks, green hyper, Sky Moore and an Ojabo. Sky Moore going to the 1 spot. Great filler tonight. Very nice filler. A blue Lynch, followed by a Ford and a Corral. Panthers. Buccaneers is the filler. That is 27 of 199. On the 7th spot in the filler. Eat a lot. A silver Gerard, Texans, and a green scope DJ Moore, Panthers. A Zappy rookie and a likely Raven. Silver Chase Claypool for the Bears. Our second auto. It's a Carson Wentz for the Commanders. Base auto or fractor auto, Carson Wentz for the Commanders. There you go, Pete. A B-Rob and a Karlaftis for the Chiefs. The Karlaftis will go to the 8. A red wave of Singletary, Bills, Danny Gray, and a Jelani Woods for the Colts. Boom! Oh, baby! Oh, baby Bam. That is... Oh, it's got some damage on it. Damn it. That's going to the 2 spot, Bam. What a card here. What is this one? What is this one? Damn, it does have some damage right down there, as you can see on there, but that is a sick card right here. A Spiller for the Chargers going to the filler squads. 80 of 225. What up, John? Which one is that? That's the profile. It's called the profile. Brees Hall in the Elam. Hello? Yeah. Just for you and me or what? Yeah, it's called the Profile is what it's called. That's sick. What a break. What a break we're having here. All right. Let's continue the fire in the optic here. All right, Aaron Donald for the Rams. What up, Blake? Damian Pierce. What's up, Blake? Alvin Kamara for the Saints. The 99. For the filler squads, it's a Justin Herbert MVP contenders. 69 of 75 going to Unlaced in the filler. First auto is a Drake London on card for the Falcons, Cam. That's sick. Nice hit there, Cam. Drake London. And for the Jets, it's a Ruckert. Wait, what number was that, Cam? So this to 75 on a London, Cam. Ruckert for the Jets. That's you, Bam. We got a Myles Garrett for the Browns. That'll be going to the 4 spot. A Jalen Watson for the Chiefs, rookie. That is going to the 7th spot. We have a cracked ice, Kyle Hamilton for the Ravens. Five of 22. Chris Olave up and coming. This is a short print Olave here for the Saints. In fact, I was just talking about this with Brandon earlier today. He bought an Olave up and coming short print there for you. Bam. Nice one there. For the Texans, Haywood, nice hit here. A Mechie on card to 99 for Haywood. And for the Raiders, Chuck B, Zamir White. So 149 on the Zamir White, Chuck B. All right, one box left. What a great mixer here tonight. What a great mixer for us. Die cut on this one. Patrick Mahomes for the Chiefs. It'll go to the 4 spot. Got a Kyle Hamilton. Aaron Donald red to 175 for the Rams. To 175 on the Donald for Waver. Last call to get guess in on the redemption. Six Stephon Diggs here for the Bills. That's you, Bam. Die cut helmets here. The 81 of 99. X's and O's. For the Lions, say Malcolm Rodriguez. Sarah's doing well on the Lions. That's the 99. Rookie ticket autograph silver. Tariq Woolen for the Seahawks. Seattle Seahawks. That's you, Brandon. All right, let's do a quick recap. What a break. This is a great break. Woolen, Rodriguez, Diggs, Donald, Zamir White, Mechie, the up-and-coming, that's a sharp print there on the Olave. Kyle Hamilton, Ice, Ruckert, the Drake London is very nice. Justin Herbert, Kamara. Spiller, the Wentz auto, DJ Moore, Lynch, Chase. Hey, what up?
Did you book the food already?
Yeah?
I told you to send me a picture.
Oh, sorry, I didn't send it. I didn't send a picture, but it's in. 750. Alright, bye. Walter Jones, Johnson, Daniel Jones, Robinson, Mathis, Walker, Schultz, the Jamal Williams, the Pierre Strong, Cooks, Goodson, Howard, Sanders, Weiss, Rising, Johnson, Hutchinson, Brown, Hutchinson for the Lions, another Olave, Okay, Austin, Ford, Ojabo, Stingley, Ely, Strong, the Kiner, Deuce Vaughn. What a group of stand cards we have here. We're going to start with the Bailey Zappi. That's to 5. Then we had a Christian Watson. The 1 of 1 Joe Montana. The Patrick Mahomes profile sick card. And the locker of Pickett. Just an absolute stunner here on the Pickett. That is a beauty. On the locker, Pickett. What a card. That was a sick break, guys. Thank you very much for the fill. Really do appreciate it. That was PYT number 44. Our mixers continue to produce the heat. Thanks for the fill, everybody.